Hello, welcome back. Let's look at this exam style speed distance time question. Andrew cycles a distance of 40 miles at an average speed of 25 miles per hour. He then runs a distance of 15 miles at an average speed of 10 miles per hour. Work out the total time Andrew takes. Give your answer in hours and minutes. So here, let's look at the question in two parts. First part, let's consider what happens when he cycles, and the second part when he runs. So if you look at the information in the first statement, you could see that we have a distance of 40 miles and we have speed 25 miles per hour, and what is missing is time. So looking at your triangle, if you want to work out time, when you cover time, it tells you that we need to divide distance by speed. So our first time, I call it time 1, is 40 divided by 25. That will give us 1.6 hours. You can change this into minutes by multiplying by 60. But let's work everything, and the final answer we change it to minutes before converting into hours. So our first time for when he cycles 1.6 hours. Now let's consider the second part, when he runs. So the second part, we have 50 miles, which is distance. We have 10 miles per hour, which is the speed. So what is missing, of course, is time. So we can also look at these two information to work out time by dividing distance by speed. So 15 divided by 10 is 1.5 hours. So we have two different times. So if you want the total time, we need to add the two times. 1.6 plus 1.5 is 3.1 hours. And since the question demands us we give the answer in hours and minutes, we need to convert this into minutes by multiplying 3.1 by 60. So when you do that, you get 186 minutes. And if you check how many 60 into 180, you have 3 hours and 6 minutes. So that means Andrew takes 3 hours and 6 minutes. Let's look at the next question.